Good morning, my students. How are you all? Fine? Okay. So, today we will learn a new concept, new topic, which is about the very beautiful thing in the nature, which looks very beautiful. Okay? So, what is that? That are the green plants. Have you seen plants at your home, in garden? So beautiful they are. Right or wrong? Yes. So I will tell you about the various uses of plants. Okay? The importance of plants. So plants are useful to people and animals. Plants are useful to people and animals, right? Also, here you can see a chart uses of plants in the chart form. Like plants are used as food, keep air clean, for perfumes, give us fiber, for paper and wood, give us medicines. All these are various uses of plants, and the various examples are given here of different types of plants, right? For example, I'm just telling you about the plant which gives us fiber, like cotton fiber, linen fiber, jute, coconut. These all types of plants, they give us fiber, right? Medicinal plants, which are medicinal plants, for example tulsi, turmeric, aloe vera, amla. These all are medicinal plants. Now one by one we will discuss the various uses. Here you can see in the picture the different uses of plants, right? Like fruits, vegetables, bamboo, etc., that we get from plants. Mostly here fruits and vegetables are shown. Other uses are also there that I will tell you later on. First, here you see that plants give us food. The primary source of plant is that they give us food. All right, now food of which kind? Here again you can see the different varieties of food items are there, like banana, tomato, broccoli. All right, these are the various examples of food. Now fruits, I told you that plants give us fruits and vegetables. Here different varieties of fruits are there, right? Like pineapple, banana, watermelon, apple, mango, summer fruit, king of fruits, delicious fruit which is coming now this season, right? So all these fruits we get from only plants, right? And vegetables also. Here are some vegetables: bitter gourd, cauliflower, pumpkin. These are the vegetables which we get from plants. Different types of spices, right, which we put in our food items to make our food more flavored, like turmeric, red chilies, red chili powder, black pepper, cloves. These are the different types of spices which we get from plants, right? Plants give us medicine. Next use, very important use, that they give us medicine. All the many types of medicine we get from plants. Here are some examples of medicinal plants. Basil. Basil, you know, the another name of basil is tulsi. What is it? Tulsi. It is called tulsi. Okay, it is used as a medicine. It is used in cold and cough. If we are having cold and cough, then we put tulsi leaves in the tea. Eucalyptus oil, these all are medicinal plants, right? Now next is your jute plant. Jute plant. Here you can see the picture of a jute plant. Now this little girl is carrying a jute bag. A little girl carrying jute bag. Jute comes from a jute plant, right? Fiber, cotton plant. Cotton is a plant, and what is made from cotton? Different types of clothes are made from cotton, right? So it is a very important use of cotton, that it is used to make clothes. Here you can see a grandmother, a lady spinning cotton on charkha. Like nowadays various types of machines are there, but before that for spinning cotton, charkha was used. This is a charkha. Here you can see this is a charkha, and this is a cotton. This is a cotton which she is spinning on the charkha, and from that what will be formed? What will be formed? A cotton thread will be formed. Cotton thread will be formed, right? Okay, now coming to next, oil from plants like coconut. From coconut we get coconut oil, and coconut comes from coconut plant, coconut tree. Okay, so it is again very important use of coconut. Next, various types of oils like soybean oil, olive oil, है ना? We use olive oil in vegetables. It's very healthy for cooking. All these oils are very healthy for cooking. Soybean oil, olive oil, coconut oil, right? So we use these in our cooking, and they all come from plants. Uses of plants. Wood. Now how wood is formed? From where we get the wood? Only by plants. Plants give us paper and wood. Now here you can see the various different examples of wood. That wood is used in the form of bat, wooden bed, wooden door, wooden chair, pencils, chopsticks, wooden spoons, and paper. So these are the different uses of wood, by which these various types of articles are made from wood, and wood comes from only plants. So we always protect our plants. Here you can see the oak tree. Which trees are there? Oak trees, right? The wood of these oak trees is used for making furniture. The wood of the oak trees is used to make furniture. Okay, this wood is very much good to make the furniture. Here you can see the wooden doors for furniture, right? These all types of furniture are made from wood. Wood as a fuel, like in villages or where something these facilities are not available, so here wood is used as fuel, right? Now coming to its next use of bamboo. Now what is the use of bamboo? Bamboo tree is there. Paper from plants. From bamboo paper is made, right? The paper which we use, it comes from bamboo plant. Here again is a rubber tree. We get rubber from rubber tree. Here rubber is shown, right? And these things like erasers, tires, These all are made from rubbers, and rubber we get from plants. Now this is an acacia tree. Look at the picture. Acacia tree. From acacia tree, glue is formed, right? Glue is formed from acacia tree. Another important use, perfume from flowers, right? Various types of flowers are used to make perfumes. Most important use of the plants. Plants make the air fresh and clean. How? Because the plants take carbon dioxide gas from the atmosphere and release which gas? They release oxygen gas, which is taken by all the humans and animals. So they make the air fresh and clean. Plants make the air clean and fresh. They give shadows. Plants also help to make the soil more nutrient. So these are the various uses of plants. Another use, plants make our house very beautiful. Like we decorate our house with the plants. Plants give us shade under the tree. So all these are very important uses of plants. And plants are also useful for animals. They feed on plants, that is their food. Herbivorous animals, they feed on plants only. And it is a habitat for the small animals like sparrow, snake, rabbit. Snake and rabbit, they live in burrows under the plants, under the soil, right? Here you can see rabbit, snake, right? Spider is there, sparrow is there. They all make a nest, make their burrows under the plants and on the plants. So it is a habitat for them. It's a home to different kind of animals. So plants are very important for us, and we should take care of them. We always should take care of them, and we need to grow more and more plants so that we can make our earth more green. Okay children, so you must grow more and more plants. Okay, till then, take care. Bye bye.